Good morning students. Our next topic is knowing about plants. What do you know about plants? Okay, so we will know some characters of the plant. Okay, plants contain green leaves and plants contain stem. Plants contain flowers and fruits. So when it contains roots. Okay, so we know about these characters about the plants. Okay. Normal plant with containing fruits, leaves, and sorry I forgot it. Normally we know about the plant. If suppose if anyone asks us to draw the plant, we used to draw like this and we will label the parts. These are known as roots, this is stem, so these are called as branches and fruits and flowers and leaves. Okay. So, next one, identification of plant parts. Okay. So, observe the collected plants and try to identify their name. Take the help of figure 1 and write your observations. So, first plant is neem plant. So, neem plant containing roots. Okay. They are containing stem, leaves and they produce flowers. Okay. Next one. Next plant about tulasi. Okay, tulasi plant contains roots, stem and leaves, but do it contains flowers? No, it just produces seeds. Okay. Next, do you find any plant which does not have roots? So we cannot find a plant which does not contain roots. Okay. Are the leaves of all the plants similar in size? No, different plants contain different sizes of leaves. Okay. Is there any plant without flowers? Yes, there are many plants without flowers. Okay. Next one. There are variations in the size and shape of the plant, but generally all plants have roots, stems and leaves. Have you ever thought about the importance of leaves, stem and roots in plants? What is the role of the different parts of the plants? Let us try to understand these things. So, we cannot see a plant without roots, stem and leaves. Okay. Have you ever thought about the importance of leaf? So, have you thought about the importance of the leaves? So, for suppose neem plant, neem leaves are used in the preparing of medicines. Okay, so its bark also used. That means its stem part is also used in the preparing of medicines. Okay, its roots to be used in some preparation of the medicines again. Okay, next let me know about the root. Okay, so our first part of the plant is to know about root. Roots are of two types. First one, taproot, and second one is fibrous root. Okay. So, what do you know about taproot and what do you know about fibrous root? Okay, green leafy vegetables contain fibrous roots. Okay, normally large plants contain taproot system. Okay, compare the roots of your sample with the help of the figure. So, Tridax plant. So, Tridax is a grass. It contains fibrous root. Okay. Taproot system is seen in the carrots and beetroot and the other plants too. Okay, in the taproot system, how does the middle root look like? Okay, so in the taproot, only there will be a middle root. In this middle root, they contain fibrous like structures, and these fibrous like structures is known as root hair. Okay. In the fibrous root, the root is the main root. It does not contain any main root, so it is arranged irregularly. Okay. This is fibrous roots, and this can be seen in the grasses. Okay, so taproot is seen in the plants like mango, etc. Okay. So fibrous roots consists of a cluster roots arising from the base of the stem. So from here, from this stem part, the fiber in the fibrous roots, the roots comes out in a irregular manner. Okay, but in the taproot system, to the main root, all the root hairs are present. Okay. Next, here he did an activity. Okay, he took 2 paper cups and he put some soil, and one of the glass he planted bean seeds. In the another glass he planted millets. Okay, that means ragulu. Okay, sprinkle water over them, then place them by the window. After a couple of days, you will see some sprouts coming out of the glasses. Okay. So, seeds are of 2 types. Okay. Monocotyledons and dicotyledons. So here mono means single, cotyledons means seed. Okay, di means 2, cotyledons means seeds. Okay, beans are example for dicotyledons, and millets are example for the monocotyledons. So monocotyledons contain fibrous roots, dicotyledons contain taproot system. Okay. Next, see another activity. Water absorbing by the roots. To observe absorption of water by roots, what you need? A carrot, a glass of water and blue ink. So you need a carrot, a glass of water and blue ink. Okay, what to do? Place a carrot in a glass of water with a few drops of blue ink. Leave the carrot in water for 2 to 3 days. Then cut the carrot into half lengthwise and observe. What do you see? Blue color appears in the carrot. the blue color indicates that water moved upwards in the carrot, showing that root contains water. So what he did? He took a glass. In this glass he filled it with water and he dropped 2 or 3 drops of blue color, okay, or blue ink. He placed a carrot here. So these roots are taking this blue color water, and here the carrot appears in blue color. Okay, blue color, it indicates the roots were absorbing the water from the glass. Okay. Next, modification of roots. Some plants store food in their roots and stems. Some plants like radish, carrot, beetroot store food materials in their roots. These roots bulge out and are called as tuberous roots. So, some plants store food in their roots and stems. Okay. Next, let me see about the modification of fruits. Okay, some plants like carrot, beetroot, and onions and garlic. These plants used to store food materials on the roots. Okay, so such are known as tuberous roots. Okay, do you find out roots always underground? Which part of the plant does that boy hold to swing? So if we observe the banyan tree, the roots comes from the branches of the tree in a banyan plant. Okay, in banyan plant, roots originate from the branches, and through that roots, this boy is swinging along by holding that roots. Okay. Also, we see some roots appear on the stem of the sugarcane tree. Okay. In order to perform some medicinal functions in some plants, roots grow above the ground. Such roots are called as aerial roots. The roots which grow above the surface is known as aerial roots. They give additional support to the plant like banyan tree, sugarcane and maize. They are helpful in respiration in mangroves. They are helpful. So those roots are helpful for the respiration. Okay, next part is about stem. Okay, already we have learned about the root, and the next part is of a stem. Okay, the aerial part of the plant body above the ground is known as shoot system. So stem is the part which comes from the above the root system. Okay, so shoot system is present above the root system. So such part is known as stem. Okay, the shoot system consists of a stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay, so from here, this is known as shoot and this is known as root system. Okay. So in the shoot system, we will see stem and leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the shoot system, we will see stem and leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the stem, we will see stem and leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the shoot system, we will see stem and leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the stem, we will see stem and leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the stem, we will see stem and leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the stem, we will see stem and leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the stem, we will see stem and leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the stem, we will see stem and leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the stem, we will see stem and leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the stem, we will see stem and leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So in the s So it contains nodes and internodes. Okay. So above the ground or above the soil, the shoot system is present and it contains stem, leaves and fruits and flowers. Stem contains nodes and internodes, and it also contains so it grows towards the sunlight. Okay, it has nodes and internodes. Nodes are the part of the stem where the leaves arise. So nodes are the part. So nodes means the part where from the stem the leaves will arise. Okay, the part of the stem between two successive nodes is called internodes. So so along with stem it contains some branches. Okay, from these branches the leaves will start originating. So this point is known as node. Okay, and another branch is arising from here and it produces another leaf. So that means here it is one node, another node. So this is known as nodes and internodes. Okay. The bud at the tip of the stem is known as apical or terminal bud, and the bud at the axial of the leaves are called as axillary buds. So tip of the stem, if the bud is present, is known as terminal bud. If the bud arises axials, so axials of the leaf in sense, from here if the bud is started produced, it is known as axillary bud. At the tip it is known as terminal bud. Okay.